Just wanted to stress how important it is to get your sewer lines scoped. So we were told, these sewer lines are PVC. So you can see the clean out there, it's PVC. You got some other clean outs. All the clean outs in each building are PVC. But as we're getting the lines plumbed, turns out that it's just a few feet of PVC and then it connects to cast iron. As you can see visibly on this one, is that connection is failing. So right there is pretty much all the sewage from this unit is going and dumping out right into there. So we don't have PVC sewer lines, we've got cast iron sewer lines with PVC cleanouts in reality. So we've got the crew out and they've been going in and using this camera, taking a good look at it, seeing what we need to do to repair it. This one, they're having issues getting into it. Seems like there might be a break. You can see another PVC cleanout. So I always stress, make sure you get your plumbing lines, your sewer lines scoped. A couple other plumbing things we found on this one is the shutoffs for the water valves. They're all buried and can't really get to them. So we're gonna budget to add some shutoffs to each building. And then as far as the sewer lines go, we're still kind of investigating and seeing how much PVC there is versus cast iron and what type of shape the cast iron's in. So far, it doesn't look like it's in great shape. So we're gonna put some numbers together. That's part of the due diligence. That way we know what we're getting into. Present that to the seller and see how they're gonna help us out on that. Another thing I was told was that the roofs were somewhat new. Taking a look at them today. We're gonna jump on them here in a few, but even from the ground, I can tell they're in pretty bad shape. Probably gonna have to replace all the roofs. Then we've got this pool situation. So they haven't opened this pool in years. My guess is it's got some cracks, some leaks in the lines. So I think rather than spending, gosh, I don't know, $40,000, $50,000 to get this back up, we're gonna fill that and create another type of amenity. Not sure if we will do a playground or whatnot. So yeah, we're going inside the interior units. We already found some down units after we were told there weren't any. So, fun stuff. Trying to think of what else we got going on. We're checking the concrete. For the most part, it's actually asphalt parking lots, but pretty good shape. Some repairs needed. AC units. Cast iron strikes again. AC units, not a lot of them have disconnects. They're just hardwired in. Older, there are some newer units. So no big surprise there. Trying to think of may end up painting the brick on this one and really getting it to pop. Give it a more of a modern look. Maybe doing some cedar on these back balconies, back patios. And yeah, so just wanted to stress plumbing sewer lines. Get it done. Scope them during your due diligence. You want to know what you're dealing with. Trust me.